Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about savings, looking for promotional item, discounted items, some stuff like that. Okay, we never want to pay retail price. So if you're into savings, this is the right channel for you. Sometimes on and off I'll do like an unbox, and on and off I'll do like a maintenance on my car, but other than that, we're just going to be like looking for discounted items, sale items. Okay, so in this video what we're looking at is this DeWalt batteries. They come with 2 batteries and a charger, a 4 amp and a 6 amp. Here you can see it's lithium ion starter kit, meaning it has a charger itself, and it does come with a bag. This one, it's I've added to the cart already. It shows $117, and you can see the review is really good at 393 ratings and almost 4.5 out of 5, which is great. Okay, and also we also have the other one. This one here is like power stations. I did a video about this one not too long ago, and the promotional discount is still there, $10 off, so making this $119. So with this one, if you have like a solar panel, you can charge it during the day, and then you can use it in nighttime, or you can use it for camping and stuff like that. It's pretty neat. It's not like big, where you power a lot of like a heavy item stuff like coffee maker or your hair dryer, stuff like that, but just to charge your iPads, phones, stuff like that, no issues at all. And right now, yeah, $119, and this thing gonna last you over 10 years because it's LiPo battery. Okay, so it has like over 5,000 charges. Okay, so here I just did a quick add into the bar so you can see the actual price, the breakdown. Here, when we go to checkout, you can see it's going to drop down to 119, and this is 117. Okay, if you guys have any questions, leave in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.